This is Thursday 22nd of August 2024 when the Irish National Kildare. We're with American Frolic.
Oh! Girl! Oh! Oh! Hey! Hey! Oh! You see my jacket, are you? You like my jacket, do you? You like my jacket? See her teeth? Did you see her teeth there?
Yeah.
Jeez, look at that! Her teeth, did you see them? Jesus Christ, my girl, you're quite into that now, don't you? Jesus, where's her teeth? Use this go by, Lee. Use this go by.
I have no idea.
Spinny mini. Spinny mini. Is that right? Am I right? Am I right? Spinny mini? Am I right? Spinny mini? Am I right?
Yeah.
Spinny mini. Yeah, what's spinny mini? I haven't seen her for a while. Spinny mini. Hello, girl. Hi. How are you? Did you miss me, did you? Did you miss me, did you? Did you miss me, girl? Did you miss me? I was on holiday. Yeah, I was on holiday. Came back last week. You came back last week, girl. Yeah. Hello. Hello. This is her phone, is it? Hello. Yeah.
Can you move that bag out of the way?
Oh my. Don't be in my back. Oh God, Jesus, please in my back. She's in my back. He's got to be in my back. Oh! Oh! Let's just get the back away from me. American Frolic. The mare's called American Frolic. Yeah. Bloody mare, isn't it? She's a foal by, I think was it Lucky Bacon?
No idea.
Oh! He's eating my jacket. Hello! Yeah! He's taking a liking to my jacket. He's lovely, isn't he? He's American. Hence the name American Frolic. He's gorgeous. It's called windsucking, and that's not very good for them either, because you can get ulcers doing that. You can get ulcers doing that. Not good for them. It's not good for them at all now.
My battery charger.
The American, I gather.
I am.
What part?
North Carolina.
Right.
From DC, but North Carolina is where they're.
Yeah. You're in holiday hours.
Yes, holiday for a couple of weeks.
Yeah. You like your horses, yeah?
Oh yes.
You have horses at home?
No, but we live in an equestrian area, Southern Pines.
Yeah, do you ever ride horses?
I did in high school.
Yeah, you're really good.
No, I just reply. I'm not really good.
The type of horses did you ride? Didn't look like this.
No, they weren't thoroughbreds. Gosh, I don't even know what they were. They were my friend's horses.
Primera kind of small horse.
That was probably a quarter horse.
They're probably easier to ride.
Yes, yeah.
They're kind of like a smaller version of these.
Yes. Oh, they're beautiful though.
They're gorgeous. I love thoroughbreds. I think thoroughbreds is probably my favourite breed.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably my favourite breed of thoroughbreds.
Do you go? Wasn't that where Michael Jordan went to college?
Say again?
Didn't Michael Jordan go to university in
North Carolina? Yeah, he has a place in our town.
He's into basketball.
Yes, Michael Jordan.
He was part of a basketball team, but he had to leave due to injury.
Michael Jordan has a place in our town.
He was a bit sad about that because he loved playing his basketball.
Just keep me fit as well.
Keep his fit as well. He has a knee injury, so you have to give it up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So good luck at your tour. Enjoy it now and enjoy your stay.
Oh, I am.
Yeah. Safe home.
Thank you.
I want to see if we can catch up with them. Oh, she's still at the gate, is she? She's still down there. The foal's beautiful, isn't it? Let's see if we catch them with the lower than the other end. Enjoy that? How long with the American Frolic?
Forever and ever. 5 minutes. Try and catch it with Laura, yeah?
not who I think it is it?
No.
Huh?
No, it's not David.
From the distance you think it was, wouldn't you? Hello. I think you lost a ground up there, were you?
No, not really.
Where are you going?
Mainly the paddock or horses.
Hello. Hello.
You like me. You like me, don't you? You like me, don't you?
I think American. She has the fence over here, isn't she? Hi, Jenny there. Second this person we're filming. Chilly's here, Lynn. She's dangerous. Hello, girl. She's a beauty, isn't she?
Yeah.
Oh! She's quite a big mare, isn't she? Huh? Isn't she? This is American Frolic. The mare's called American Frolic, isn't she gorgeous?
It's gorgeous.
Beautiful. We're also friends, by the way. We're also friends. I was away from her for a week. We're on holiday. Yeah, I missed her. Yeah, I haven't seen her for a week. I missed her.
Oh, I'm not surprised at these both are purple.
Yeah, and no, only one of them. It's that.
This one here.
That one's hers.
Oh, you are beautiful, aren't you?
He's eating at my jacket down here.
Oh,
She had a fall by Southern Hotel.
so yeah.
Fall by, I think it's Lucky Vegas. The Lucky Vegas?
When were you? So 30 by 27.
Lucky Vegas. I thought so. It's a filly, yeah? Filly.
Yeah, that's great.
She's lovely, isn't she? She's also American, hence the name American Frolic. Yeah. Yeah. We had a lot of nationalities in the horses.
Yeah.
We had an Italian stallion here,
Wow.
passed away 4 years ago.
So they come from all over?
From all over the place, yeah. We had an Italian stallion here, he died 4 years ago when Wardpat was his name. And he was relocated to France in 2018.
Right, okay. Yeah.
So quite sad. And he lives in here anyway. Quite sad. We had horses from England as well, Great
Yeah,
Britain,
okay.
Ireland, all over the place.
Oh, you're nice. I think I've got a very nice hand. Okay. Oh.
It's not good for you, don't you be doing that. American, you gotta come over and say hello to me. Come on, come over to me. I want a hello. Do you need? She's avoiding me now. She's avoiding me now. She wants to say hello to you now. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Suit yourself.
What have you done?
Pause that now. Yeah, go around to Laura.